We are at Goa, India Bike Week today and tomorrow, and I see a beautiful Triumph and a Versys 650 here. Looks amazing. I think they have come for the India bike. I hope to buy this someday. Tiger XRX 800. Pair of bikes, RS 200 and my favorite, the Dominar 400. They have also come for the India Bike Week. So we are going to the pool right now. The swimming pool. TT table and carom board there. Beautiful apartment. We are staying in resort rather.
It's time for introductions.
Welcome to Anshed Baba Goa Vlogs Day 3.
Okay.
Anshed Baba. We are now on to a brilliant road inside North Goa, heading towards Chapora Fort. We are heading towards Chapora Fort. Serene Goalis village. After this, we are planning to go to Baga and Bragator. If I can, I will go see the Indian Bike Week for once. Accompanying me is Alu Partho. Hi. Alu Partho. Wow, wow, wow. This is the sea only. Wow. There are no beaches here. Guys are taking beautiful pictures. We are now heading towards the Chapora Fort. and it's a very steep climb. Yeah. We have to climb in there. We have reached the Chapora Fort, and I think that is the India Bike Week happening there. Actually, hear a lot of rumbles and grumbles from there. It is coming from there till here. The sun is setting down behind me. They are cleaning up the fort. I don't want to. ওখানে ড্রোনটা চালালে আমি সমুদ্রটা নিতে পারবো। Right now we are on top of the Chapora Fort.
Think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So this is the famous Chapora Fort. You can see the beach, the Arabian Sea. That is probably the Vagator beach there. We are done with the Chapora Fort here, and we're gonna go there that way. This is where the movie Dil Chahta was shot. That's a very good friendship wala movie. So Goa's Chapora Fort, friendship and Dil Chahta is done. Let's enjoy the beach from there, where you see some shooting is going on. Vagator beach. another day ends with another amazing adventure in Goa. Hope you liked the vlog. After this we went to Baga. It was nothing much, and then we went back home and we slept up. Yes, we slept up. Yes, we slept up. Band karo.